This first outfit consists of a McCalls skirt. I did add the pockets to the front, and then I have it paired with a new look tank top. And this over piece, which I guess you can call it like a cardigan, is a simplicity pattern that I actually made years ago. It's nice and comfortable, and I really do like it. I actually don't wear it very much, but I do keep it around, and it does come in handy when I do wear it. I remember I bought this patchwork fabric from Hobby Lobby. I have it tied in the front, and then I paired it with the McCalls skirt again, but I did lengthen the skirt this time. It has a split in the back. You have your pockets in the front. The shirt was just a regular button-down shirt, and I like these two garments together. And I love that the shirt can be worn with many different garments. Simplicity jeans paired with this denim jacket that I made years ago, but I still do love. And then I have on this top that has shirring in the back. I have two McCalls patterns on together. The undergarment is the McCalls jumpsuit. It's like a romper. And then I paired it with this McCalls knit garment that has a hood. And I did lengthen this garment. These two pieces together are very comfortable. This is a simplicity backless vest paired with the Vogue barrel jeans, and I did do something different with the pockets. And then I have this top on under the vest. I've made this top pattern about 3 times. For this next outfit, I took a McCalls pattern and I did a little hacking. I cut off the top portion, and then I made facings and straps and added the straps to the front and back of the dress. And then I have it paired with this striped bodysuit, which I really do love. This faux leather skirt is a butterick pattern. It ties on the side. It has a couple of darts. And then I paired it with this faux leather bodysuit, which is again Simplicity 8513. The bodysuit has a zipper down the back, and the skirt has a little button on the inside to keep everything together. I fell in love with this Know Me pattern, so I decided to go ahead and make it up. Here I have it paired with the Know Me cropped jacket, and also again the Simplicity bodysuit made in this denim knit fabric. I did hack the jeans a little bit. I used some pockets from a ready-to-wear pair of jeans and added those to the back. And then for the front patch, you can see here I left the top open so that I can put my hands in there. And then I just have them rolled up at the bottom just for style. We're at Sonic. So Sonic has slushes, and I always get the peach slush because it's sugar-free, but you can't tell it's sugar-free because it's still sweet and it tastes really good. They also have other flavors that are sugar-free. I haven't tried all the other sugar-free ones, but I know that I like the peach one. So that's what we're getting. It took us so long to get up to the window. What are we doing now? The pretzel and the mozzarella sticks. Oh, sorry. He's calling out the wrong order.
Slushy, Dr. Pepper, and the water.
Yes, sir.
5 anyway. A couple of them?
No, thank you.
First he said mozzarella sticks and something else, but we only got drinks.
pretzel, man.
You did say pretzel. Yeah, I didn't even know they had pretzels. Did you?
No.
That must be a new thing.
Thank you.
I might have to come back and get me a pretzel one day. That was loud. I didn't realize how loud it was until you closed the door.
You don't want no pretzel.
You don't want a pretzel?
You don't want a pretzel.
I will one day. I might. Remember the other day I was just telling you I wanted pretzels.
And we didn't go get none.
We didn't, but
Because you don't really want one. You just be talking.
because I was saying we can maybe go get one from the movies or from
No,
the grocery
you didn't say
store.
the movies. I said the movies. You said the grocery store, and I mentioned going to the movies. You only said the grocery store.
I remember saying the movies
No,
too.
I asked you about going to the movies.
But the point is, I did ask for a pretzel.
But you still didn't. You still haven't had one.
I brought up wanting a pretzel before I even knew they sold them here.
And the pistachio.
Thank you.
Have a look.
Thank you. Look at this. It's a different kind of color. It looks clear, but it tastes really good. And like I was saying, I'm gonna have to come back here and get a pretzel one day. Just like I mentioned to my husband the other day that I wanted a pretzel.
Yeah.
I did. Are you saying I did not mention that I wanted a pretzel?
No, I'm not saying that at all. I'm
Exactly.
just saying you don't want one, because if you really wanted one, you would have got one. It was the other day. It's been plenty of time to get a pretzel.
Okay, so
You can get one.
the other day I mentioned to him that I wanted a pretzel. And we talked about where we could get pretzels from. And I was thinking, okay, we'll go to the grocery store and get pretzels or to the movies.
You didn't say nothing about the movies. I brought up the
I
movies.
said the movies too.
I mentioned that because I mentioned that and you were like, no, I was thinking just right up the street to the grocery store. That's what you said. Because I mentioned that. And you didn't say, and you were like, I was just going to go over here. And I was like, oh, okay.
So after a while, he did ask me if I wanted to still get a pretzel, and I just changed my mind. I don't know what happened, but I ended up not wanting the pretzel.
It's been a week and a half, and you still don't want
But
it.
that doesn't mean I won't come to Sonic and get one if I ever have the craving
It just
again.
means you didn't have the craving and you didn't want a pretzel.
I didn't want it at that time, but you know.
Okay, let's go get a pretzel, but I don't want one. That doesn't make any sense.
Anyway,
You didn't want a pretzel. You just
Sonic
wanted
has pretzels, you guys. So I just wanted to share that. And then, like I said, sugar-free peach. Highly recommend.